Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Mr. CM. Today we are going to see Squid masala, South Indian style. I am Chef Anand Vijay Kumar, all the way from India. Now I am going to clean the squid. As you can see, I am removing the tentacles, and then I am going to remove the pen. From the mental part, we peel the skin off. Then we wash it again and start to make a nice ring. After we clean the tentacles, we put together, and now I'm slicing the onion and tomatoes. As soon as the clay pot is hot, we're adding the oil, mustard seed, fennel seed, onion, allowed to cook the onion until golden brown, and curry leaves, adding a bit of more oil, adding a salt, now ginger and garlic paste, and now you're adding the tomatoes, adding the Indian spices, turmeric powder and chili powder. Now I'm adding the squid. Fold them gently. Adding the curry leaves and cilantro. Now we are going to cover the pot, let it cook. Almost ready, the squid masala, South Indian style. You can taste the seasoning. If you need, we can add more. And finally, it's ready to go with a nice presentations. This is very good combinations with the rice. Giving a more curry leaves and cilantro as a garnish. Such a beautiful dish, South Indian style squid masala. Have a wonderful day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.